500,000 more Texans are uninsured today than they were in March. That's because pandemic-era coverage benefits, which said people couldn't get kicked off Medicaid during the health emergency, ended in April.
Most of who lost coverage, these 500,000 folks, they're very likely mostly children.
Stacey Pogue with the organization Every Texan says most people probably don't even know they're uninsured right now.
So I think what's going to happen in a lot of cases is we have low-income families with children who are going to do their back-to-school physicals, get their back-to-school vaccines, get their asthma inhalers, from the pharmacy, and they're going to find out shortly, right, that their kids don't have coverage.
She adds that many Texans were removed from the rolls for bureaucratic reasons, like not responding to mailers, long hold times on the phone, trouble navigating the website, and language difficulties, not because they're actually ineligible for coverage. The Health and Human Services Commission says it sent mailed or electronic notices to Texans to renew their coverage. It warned you may lose coverage if you don't return information needed for your renewal by the due date. But experts say some people might not have even gotten mailers if they moved homes, and they could have been delivered in the wrong language. And for those who have lost coverage, it can be devastating.
Many say, well, we can afford maybe a regular pediatrician visit, of $60 or $100 depending. But when it comes to medication, especially ongoing therapy, that could, really bankrupt a family.
It could take weeks or even months to process a Medicaid application, and another group of Texans could lose coverage by September unless the state steps in to delay the process.
So we're asking the governor to hit pause on removing folks from Medicaid until Texas can ensure that eligible kids, seniors, and individuals with disabilities aren't losing coverage.
Experts say eligible Texans who want to avoid being kicked off Medicaid should update their information now by visiting yourtexasbenefits.com. For Capital Tonight, I'm Charlotte Scott.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. For more refreshing stories about your community, click the subscribe button over here. You can also download our Spectrum News app and tune in to Channel 55 on Dish and DirecTV to get live news coverage, weather updates every 10 minutes, and more. We'll see you then.